Hello there, guys. It's been a while since I uploaded my last video, and I've learned how to use chopsticks. I'm still new to chopsticks, so I'm going to use them on my pasta. And this is my first time ever making pasta. It's mixed pasta, so wait, I used mixed pasta, boiled it for like 10 minutes, added the seasoning packet it came with. I I had like a soda a few minutes ago, so I'm gonna burp sometimes. Okay, so some like chili flakes, a little bit of salt, and the rest of my secret seasoning mix with with some tomato sauce, green chili green chili sauce, and a bit of mayonnaise mixed together. We got this. It looks a lot more golden in the recording. I mean, like I can see what's happening. I can see it, so, and I can see what the shit's happening. What the food looks like in the recording. It's a bit confusing to unpack, so I'm not gonna unpack it. It looks more golden in the video you're watching than in real life. It looks more orangey. Let's dig in. By the way, I'm alone in the house. By the way, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bon appetit. I never thought I'd make something this good. Mm, mm, it's pretty good. So this could be a shorter, could be a video. I just don't know. So see you guys in the next upload.